Welcome, today we're going to show you how to make Qogita account. So the first thing that you need to ask yourself is, do you actually qualify for a buyer account? So to qualify for a buyer account, you need to meet these criteria. So first, you need to know your business type. So you need to actually have a business. So you must operate an online physical or marketplace store. You must be a registered business. The second thing is registration requirements. So you must ensure your business details remain current throughout your account's lifetime. So it needs to not change. The third thing is acceptance of the terms. And the last thing is verification process. So they will verify your business registration during the process. If they cannot verify your registration, they reserve the right to deactivate your account or take the necessary actions. After that, you can actually just register. As you from here, you can just fill in all of these information: email address, phone number, the password, sign up code. After that, you can just create your account. And the next step is to select country where you will primarily have your orders delivered to. So you need to add a VAT number. You need to have a VAT number. So if you are in the UK, you can leave this box empty. I'll see from here. For the second step, you can add the shopping country, VAT number, company name. After that, for the last step, you can add your shopping preferences. I'll see from here. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.